we know what time it is. It's, of course, time for our Sales Tip Tuesday tip of the day. And today's tip is going to cover nonchalance. The art of not caring, being calm, cool, collected. We employ nonchalance to do a few things. First of all, it takes the pressure off of the client and yourself. Mostly it takes the pressure off of you. Sales is like a dance. Sales is seduction. So in the tango, the cha-cha, merengue, any of those dances, when somebody is pulling back, the other is pulling forward. And that is nonchalance. So you want to pull back so that your client can pull forward. You want to hold certain things back. It could be anything, like the price. You could be talking, asking questions, and then let them ask, well, how much is it? Oh my God. Sounds so great, Vanessa. How much is it? And that way you have engaged your client. We know if they've asked, they have finally engaged with us. If they didn't ask you the price, they're not engaged with you. Having nonchalance exudes confidence in yourself, in your product, in your company. Because you're not so busy on overloading the conversation with 80 ways you're so great, you're actually listening and you're actually allowing the space and the opportunity for your client to ask good questions, to make good comments, so that you can have a conversation and connect with the client in a meaningful way. A sales tip on a Tuesday. I'll see you guys next week.